The message I want to give you today is every single time you do something for the first time, you suck at it.
Yeah.
And it's okay. And you're going to be sucky for the first few times. Like first time.
I said, fail it till you nail it.
You could say that too. But the first time you tried anything, you sucked at it.
Yeah.
And so today I just want to give you a quick message of encouragement. Like, it's okay to suck. It's okay to, you call it fail. We call it like failing forward, because if you don't fail forward, you're never going to get good at anything. So this is an encouraging message for you to do something hard and scary and new, and just be okay with sucking at it.
And if you do it over and over and over again, like
guess what?
Like somebody I know
You'll
says,
suck less.
you suck less, right?
That's
And
it.
so you just suck less, suck less, suck less, until you get to a place where people start to take notice and they go, "Oh wow, you're pretty good at that." And you go, "I am. I feel like I'm just sucking less than I did yesterday."
Right.
But I think what's so hard is that people don't remember when they sucked at things. They just kind of we're so like in the moment and so kind of almost looking forward, which is a good thing, when we forget where we actually came from and how bad we used to be. And you think about all those things, and then also people also recognize you and celebrate you for how good you are now, that you forget that, man, I used to suck at this.
Yeah. So choose something today that is outside of your comfort zone. It could be like, hey, you know what? I don't know how to sew, but I have a sewing machine.
Right.
Start it, right? It could be, I've got these weights in my backyard and I've never really lifted weights because that's not what I do. Go lift the weights. It's okay to suck. I took a kickboxing class a couple weeks ago because it was International Women's Health and Wellness Day or something. And Studio 66 Pilates offered to do a kickboxing class for the Cake Mamas. I'm not a fighter, a boxer. I don't even know how to so just look how ridiculous this is. She's like, hold your hand up, guard your face. And then I looked ridiculous. And then the worst thing is there's a mirror right there.
Yeah.
So you have to see how terrible you look, right? The instructor's looking all cool and hook, jab. And I was just I looked like a reject cheerleader, right? And she's like, you guys did great for your first time. I'm like, no, we did not.
Right.
We literally sucked. So remove the judgment, do the thing, put yourself out there, have fun with it. And I guarantee if I went back every week to that kickboxing class in 3 months, after 12 of them, I'd look like I somewhat knew what I was doing. 12 times.
But what you're describing, and we'll keep this short, what you're describing is what children and kids do. They approach things with curiosity, with a sense of wonder. And I think that is something that's really lost in adults, is that ability just to be in wonder, to be in curiosity of I wonder what happened if I did this, and to kind of put your fear aside and just really just embrace something that's new, different, hard, whatever that may be, and just watch yourself grow.
Yeah. So that's our message for you today. Do something different, fun. Keep it fun. That's the thing. Remove the judgment. Put yourself out there. Try one thing new today, and I want to know what it is. It could be a new recipe. That sucks. So what? Then you wind up at McDonald's tonight. I don't know. It could be anything, but try something new today. So we'll talk to you later, friends. We just hope to encourage you today to just live your life a little bit and stop just attaching all the negativity and all the expectations, and just, it's okay to suck.
It just keeps you stuck.
Yeah.
Right?
It's okay to suck.
Today.
That's the name of today. Suck. No, don't suck less. Suck a lot today.
Suck a lot, but tomorrow you'll suck less.
We gotta go. Okay, bye.